Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mustabepi. Today I'm gonna share with you about how to remove beep sounds from your Redmi phones. Okay, first of all, I would like to describe how this beep sound is made. This beep sound is made by your network operator. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is um, you want to open your SIM Toolkit application. Each Redmi phone consists of a SIM Toolkit application. Okay, so open that application. Okay, so here I have been using BSNL. That's why I have BSNL Toolkit application. So open that Toolkit application. Then there is an option named BSNL bus. Click on that option, and there is then you can see there is another so many options. Click on alerts. Okay, then click on the deactivate option. uh, okay, then click on the OK button. Okay, so now you have completed the entire process, so that beep sound won't play anymore. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mustabepi.